What would you decide today if you could see the future condition, risk, and carbon impact of your assets? Meet an asset team managing a large infrastructure and real estate portfolio. Their data is everywhere. Audits, spreadsheets, CMMS, and decisions take weeks. With Simeo, they consolidate asset data into one reliable model, ready for analysis across the entire portfolio. In minutes, the portfolio becomes visible. Sites, buildings, components, criticality, and current condition on one interactive map. They zoom into a priority site instantly. Current condition, renewal value, energy performance, and the risks that matter most. But seeing today isn't enough. Simeo forecasts how assets age, so teams act before failures and costs escalate.
Powered by 10,000 plus aging and energy models and 30,000 maintenance actions, continuously improved by AI and machine learning, Simeo projects degradation, cost, and risk year by year.
Now the real work, building an investment plan under constraints, budget limits, risk exposure, service continuity, and carbon targets. They test options in seconds, postpone, renovate, replace. Then see the impact on risk, cost, and carbon across the portfolio. Simeo brings every decision indicator into one view, so leadership aligns fast and confidently. And it doesn't stop at strategy. Simeo generates a multi-year plan with prioritized actions, ready for operational execution. If budgets change or field constraints appear, the plan recalculates instantly, keeping decisions aligned with reality. Simeo helps infrastructure and real estate owners invest smarter, reducing cost, minimizing risk, and accelerating decarbonization. Book your personal demo at oxand.com.